Let me show you easily the best value for money, high performance earphones that you can currently get. And we have the Air 5 Pro model over here. We also get very nice active noise cancellation on these as well. And here are all the specs on them. Let's check out inside the box. First we get a bunch of paper right here. Also very nice stickers. Also over here we have spare tips as well. And also the tip quality is very decent on these as well. And also we have our Type-C charger here as well. On these earphones we also get extremely nice case as well. We have our Type-C charger port over here and also our set and pairing button here as well. And the case definitely appears very premium on these. Over here I have the black version. And also the quality of the earbuds themselves also look very nice. And also they appear very lightweight as well. Also we get very decent touch controls on these as well, so we can go to the next song, increase the volume and do a bunch more things on these, simply touching the earphones. Also when it comes to comfort, also these probably are one of the most comfortable earphones I have actually ever used. So these tips also appears very decent quality and also they're very soft actually. So yeah, definitely tip quality also on these is very decent. So yeah, when it comes to overall build quality, these definitely feel very premium. By the way, if you are looking to get these earphones, in the description I'll include special discount links where you can get them both on Amazon, SoundPeats official website and also AliExpress. So you see, for example, on AliExpress it literally cost only a bit under $60 for the features and quality you get. I think it's absolutely insane. So again, if you want to get these for the best price, simply check out the special discount links. And if you want to pair them with your smartphone, so for example, it's actually very easy. So first what we do is open them up and leave them aside, and we are going to go in our Bluetooth settings on our phone. Going to click pair new devices. See, they instantly get found over here, so we can click to connect to them. Yep. And once connected, we can also go to our app store and download this app called Beats Audio. Once we open it up, as you see, you can easily manage your earphones. You can even see the battery level for each over here. And we can enable the noise cancellation. So when it comes to the active noise cancellation, actually I'm very impressed by just how good these at this price. So if I had to compare these versus maybe like $150 earphones, then again I find the noise cancellation just as good really, so as on much more expensive earphones. So I wasn't actually expecting this to be actually this decent on these. At this price usually the noise cancellation isn't that good, but on these, yeah, it's actually very decent. Also you see you have this transparent mode here. Essentially when you obviously wear your earphones, so some noise actually get blocked, but if you actually enable the transparent mode, these earphones can essentially pass through the sounds that are basically coming from outside. So if you want still hear something around you, you can simply enable this transparent mode, and yeah, you will actually have very good experience here. Also check this, we can even disable the touch controls on these as well. So basically maybe if you simply do not like that once you touch the earphone something happens, we can also easily disable this. And this honestly is actually one of my favorite features, because sometimes I actually do not want this stuff, and on other earphones they usually do not even allow to disable this. So yeah, that's also very good. Also we have the low latency game mode here as well. So if you are playing some games and need basically instant feedback, again we can enable that. So you can also customize basically these touch controls here, and also enable the better sound quality here as well. and also we can customize this, basically how these earphones actually sound like. So you see, you have different selections here, so depending on the music you listen to, simply go over here and switch to it. Okay, and basically, so the way these actually earphones reproduce sound will obviously change. Also, you see, you can also create your own custom EQ here as well. And when it comes to battery life, these also are very decent. So on a single full charge, you can expect to get 7.5 hours. So that's once you take out the earphone from the case and simply use it. Also, this obviously will depend on the volume that you are listening at. Maybe you can even get more. So when it comes to total battery life, so what we can get if we recharge this from the case, so I suspect maybe we can recharge it like 4 or 5 times from the case. So once I discharge, so the rated life is 37 hours basically on the case. And also when it comes to charging, these also charge up very fast. So literally 10 minutes of charging will give you 2 hours on playback on the earphones. So basically if they are fully depleted and you place them in the case, wait 10 minutes, you should have enough juice in them to listen to for 2 hours essentially. That's also very decent. And next, let's check out the microphone quality on these earphones. So currently I'm actually speaking in these earphones. I actually have them inside in my ear, and this is essentially what they would sound like. If you have them inside, maybe someone calls you, you want to answer some phone call. So this is the sound quality you can expect to get on these. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. And now I'm back to my normal microphone. So when it comes to microphone quality on these, I would say they are pretty much the same as on other earphones at this price. If you want to use them maybe as wireless microphones, I do not think they're enough for that. But if you simply want to use them for phone calls, then I think these are absolutely perfect. So again, no complaints there. And overall, are these SoundPeats Air5 Pro actually worth it? And should you maybe get them? Well, yep, I can highly suggest them, because if you actually look at the price on these and also the build quality and also sound quality, then these are pretty much impossible to beat. So when it comes to sound quality, really at this price, you probably usually actually never get this kind of sound quality. So they actually sound very clear. Also, if you actually play around with those modes in the phone app, then you can even like bring up the sound quality even more. So again, we actually have very decent specs on these. So when it comes to sound quality at this price, yeah, I think it's absolutely fantastic. Also, build quality is very decent, nice case, also very good battery life. And again, if you want to get these earphones for the cheapest possible price, simply check out the special discount links in the description. I'll leave a link where you can get these on AliExpress for the cheapest possible price. Also, I will manage to get probably some extra coupons from AliExpress that you can use to get these for even cheaper price. So simply check out the description. Also, I'll leave Amazon links and also SoundPeats official website link as well, where you can pick these up for this price. Yeah, absolutely insane value for money. Good luck.